Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. So we are obviously past Halloween, so now it's time for Christmas. So today we're going to make some Christmas crinkle cookies. But first, a cup of tea, which I have it's over here. Ow, my hands, ow. Let's begin. You shall need the zest of 2 oranges, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 180 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of icing sugar, 60 millilitres of vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of ground mixed spice, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 200 grams of caster sugar, 60 millilitres of vegetable oil. Right, we now need to fully combine these by whisking. We'll also add an egg in at a time. Egg time. Can I get this on a... Second egg. Right, so in a separate bowl we are going to add a majority of the other ingredients. So here, 180 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of ground mixed spice, and a tablespoon of ground mixed spice. I'm going to put a bit less of that, for, cinnamon, not milk. There. 2 tablespoons of that. Teaspoons. Put stuff in, it'll be fine. Right, let's quickly give this a quick mix. So we now need to combine the 2 bowls. So we're now going to combine the 2. So when we combine this, we should get a dough. So I've just put my oven on gas mark 5. So gas mark 5 is 190 Celsius or 170 Celsius if you've got a fan oven. Right, I'm going to get my hands in, roll out some balls. I've got the caster sugar, although my caster sugar has turned lumpy. It's not as... well, it's white, so it should be okay. So let's get hands dirty. And then realise this was a mistake. I can see why they were sort of saying to do teaspoons. Right, so let's try this again. So yes, so the dough is a lot better now it's been in the fridge. So it's been recommended get a tablespoonful. Can I make that more rounded? Yeah, that doesn't look as pretty as the first one. Alright, let's pat that in. Right, after all that, obviously you've got Right, now these go into the oven for around about 10 to 15 minutes. Gas mark 5, my oven's preheated. We'll be back then. Right, now, actually let's turn the oven off first. Oh, that's... Right, okay, so these are apparently supposed to solidify as they cool. I've obviously not given enough room there. So let's quickly... Oh yeah, these definitely not firmed up. Let's do that. I think these are actually too soft to stick on the rack, so I'm going to let these cool, solidify. Right, now that they have cooled down, I've left them to cool down for about an hour, had lunch, so they did stick at the bottom, but they have actually firmed up. And obviously the sugar is coming off, which is what it should do. So let's give it a go. Yeah, so I can taste all of the spices, the cinnamon, hint of chocolate, and actually the orange peel is quite strong there. But important question. Will it dunk? Very nice with a cup of tea. I don't think that will survive too long of dunking. Yeah, so those, it definitely tastes of Christmas. So yeah, I'd give that a go. That's really nice. Homemade and yes, right, I'm going to have the final one and Merry Christmas.